It's Paul from Boatshed, Lancashire, on this West Country Keel boat built in 1890. So I was thinking she's 150, she's actually about 130 years old. The owners lived on her until a couple of years ago, when they've now built a house. They own the boatyard. Some historical documents on the boat going back many years. There's plenty of storage in the sides here. This is the bathroom, with bath and shower. Toilet was removed. I think there was a cassette toilet that's been taken out. Easily refitted. Got bunk bed, desk underneath, bunk on the top. Plenty of storage. Go through into the master cabin. Obviously reflects the shape of the boat. Full-size bed. Again, plenty of storage. Got wardrobe space. Hatch. There's an escape ladder as well. Escape hatch up into the top if you needed it. All the floors can be lifted.